Select your account profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, choose Settings Privacy, and then pick Settings. On the left side, scroll down to Audience and Visibility and select Posts. On the right, turn off the toggle for Allow Comments Summaries on your posts. Select the menu icon in the top right corner on Android or the lower right corner on an iPhone or iPad. At the bottom, expand Settings Privacy and pick Settings. Move down to Audience and Visibility and select Posts. Turn off the toggle for Allow Comments Summaries on your posts.